Factory farms, a critical pollution problem. One factory farm creates more pollution than Houston, the fourth largest city in the United States of America. Factory farm waste contaminates streams, rivers, and lakes, pollutes water supplies, releases noxious gases into the air, causes respiratory illness and other health problems. Over 907 million tons produced annually in the United States alone.
We have to have our eyes wide open as
prices.
Very destructive. I know that some of my colleagues and others have quoted.
A U.S. government accountability report found that one single factory farm produces 1.6 million tons of waste each year, more than is produced by the city of Houston, Texas. Save our water. Save our air. Save our planet.
Be veg, go green to save the planet.
For more urgent details, please visit suprememastertv.com/SOS.